What's up, everyone? I'm Naima. Welcome to Naima's Wellness Journey. Today, I am going to show you 12 things that I have to assist in my recovery from breast reduction surgery. Stay tuned. I don't typically use traditional pajamas, but I did buy some that have buttons. I bought about 4 pairs of pajamas that have buttons. So now I have 4 pairs of matching pajama sets. Usually I'll wear sweats and a t-shirt or sweats and a tank, something like that when I go to bed. But the reason being is because after I have my breast reduction surgery, I'm not going to be able to lift my arms up like this, okay? So, and I want to make sure that I heal properly. So, since I want to heal properly, that means not pulling shirts on and off. So, I don't want to push it at all. My surgeon says that I can't drive for 3 weeks. He says I shouldn't work for 3 weeks, which I'm perfectly fine with. I can just stay home. There are some things that I can do from home because I'm a designer. So, but yeah, so I felt like it was very important to have this or these types of pajamas that actually button so I don't have to worry about putting things over my head. All right, so I have this fun little hoodie onesie type thing. I know my husband's gonna think I'm crazy for having this, but it's comfy. I want to focus on my complete healing while I am home after in the recovery process. I just want to focus on the complete healing. So this is what I have. So, in addition to having pajamas that button up the front so I don't have to lift things over my head, I have these hoodies. I plan on wearing this hoodie when I go in for my procedure. I plan on just wearing this and a bra and a pair of sweatpants to the procedure. You see, it zips up, so I think things that zip or button are great. It's funny because I typically don't have things that button because I'm so busty and usually I pop right out of the button. So it'll be interesting afterwards to see how everything settles. I know it's going to take a while for everything to settle, but I'm so excited to see how it's going to be and not bursting out of clothes. I loved these nursing pads when I had my 2 babies who are now 6 and 8 years old. These were my favorite. I saw in a group that I'm in on Facebook, someone mentioned using maxi pads, and I'm like, okay, why use a maxi pad? You can just get nursing pads. Why not? So I have these nursing pads because I know there will be an incision around the nipple and then down, and I'm getting the anchor incision. So I have these if needed. I'm not sure if I'll need them or not, but I have these just in case. So nursing pads. Another thing I have is a scar cream. So I got this scar cream from Amazon, and my oldest son, he bumped his head last summer, and it caused a really nasty scrape on his head, where his skin, it was like kind of fleshy looking. And so I used this, and it worked, and his pigment came back, and you can't even tell that he ever bumped his head or he had like his skin was missing from there. So I have this scar cream. Of course, I'm not going to use it until my doctor gives me the okay to use scar cream. I know for the first week, I'll have tape around all the incisions, and then I'll go to my first pre-op appointment after the first week, and that's when he's going to take the tape off. And then I'm able to take a shower 2 days after the procedure, but he told me to leave the tape on. So I'm just going to make sure that I dry, I'm completely dry before putting the surgical bra on, because he will be giving me a surgical bra that I have to wear for 3 weeks, I believe. And it's going to be compression. He doesn't use drains, so I won't have drains, but he just wants to make sure that everything is compressed and, so the swelling can go down. So scar cream, bras that hook in the front. Now, I'm hoping I'll be able to fit this bra. It looks a little small to me, but this is a 36. So, and I am a 34G, hoping to go to a 34C, a small C. So, just in case, this is more so for after the 3 week mark. I definitely don't want to wear anything with underwire. My boobs will be sitting up, so I probably won't have to worry about wearing underwire anymore. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But so I have two of these, and I got them from Amazon, and for a two pack, it was like, I don't know, maybe $10. So I have this Neosporin pain, itch, and scar ointment. Got this from Amazon. I heard that around week 3, you might start itching really crazy around the incision, which is good because it means you're healing, but I can imagine how annoying that might be. So I do have this to help with that. So we have this anti-itch cream. I also have these Scar Away silicone sheets. So I think any kind of scar silicone sheet might be good. The reason I got this specific one is because in one of my Facebook groups that I'm in for breast reduction, there was a woman who was a Black woman, and she used these and her scars looked non-existent. And so if you're a person of color, we scar differently. Our scars might not fade. Our scars might be darker. It just really depends. Sometimes we even keloid. We're more likely to keloid. So I got this. I'm having faith that that I heal perfectly and that the scars just end up blending in with my skin. I'm not worried about it at all, but I do have these that I'll probably use, just to make sure that the scars are faded. I have this. This is a back scrubber. And the reason I have this is, again, because, not being able to lift up, my arms overhead. And so my husband will be helping me with showering after the procedure. But I wanted to make sure that, I'm thinking maybe after the first week I'll be able to help myself. I'm maybe even after a few days I'll be able to, do the showering myself. But I have this because this will be able to reach like back here. You see, I don't have to lift up and go back there and go down there and down there. So I have this. My bedroom is on the main floor, so I won't have to like climb up and down the stairs. So I'll be in my bed, propped up. I'll be propped up in my bed with a pillow. I have a pillow that is kind of that you can sit back on. However, I hear neck pillows are really helpful. So I have this neck pillow that I used to travel to Europe last year, and I think this will be perfect for making sure I get the rest that I need so I can recover. Also, in my basket, I have my prescriptions. So my doctor prescribed me what is this? Okay, he prescribed me Norco, I believe is what it's called. I think I'm saying that correctly. He prescribed me Norco. I don't typically like taking pain meds, so I'm just gonna try and take it as few times as possible. We'll see how it goes, but he did prescribe me Norco for pain, and I just take it as needed. He prescribed a stool softener because apparently, after anesthesia and the pain meds, you might be a little constipated. So I have a stool softener, and then I have an anti-nausea pill. Hopefully I don't need that. I've never been under general anesthesia, so I have no clue if I will need that for the anesthesia. But I know he also prescribed it for me because initially he prescribed Percocet, and I can't do Percocet. It just makes me throw up. I've had it before after having oral surgery, and I was just vomiting all over the place. So, but they gave me all of these things. So, and the reason that I have everything in this basket is because, my husband is going to be the one who is taking care of me. So I want to make sure that everything is within reach for him. I also have a comfy robe. I bought this cute little robe from Kohl's, and I just wanted, a nice plushy robe. It has cute little stars on it, and I just want to be comfortable. So I feel like most times when I'm just around the house and when I'm in bed, I'll probably just be wearing a bra and a robe. So I have this cute little comfy robe. And last but not least, I have some comfy slippers They say Mama Llama on them. They are Lauren Conrad slippers that I got from Kohl's, and they just look so very comfy. And again, I just want to focus on being comfortable and healing and zen and wellness and making sure everything heals the way it's supposed to and not getting any openings on my incisions and just, being happier and healthy. So thank you for watching. I am so excited about this journey that I am about to embark on. I can't wait to have smaller breasts. I'm over this. My back is hurting as we speak. So when we're done with this, I'm going to take off my bra. I'm going to chill out and just go around the house in sweats. And thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.